So today we have a two Dominar at our garage at Kandivali for a fixed work. So the UG model basically have came for some fixed work of key lock set, and the black one have came over here for handle change and some minor work which need to be done. So we just saw the bikes and we when we were going for a test drive, and the bike was pulling at one side. So we just checked out the air pressure tire, and we got to know that the tire pressure of the UG model front tire was just 20 psi, and the rear tire is just 23 psi. So as per the recommendation, both the tire and the front and the rear tire, the front tire should have 29 psi and the rear tire should have 32 psi. Instead of this, the front tire was just at 20 psi and the rear tire was 23 psi for this particular bike. And the normal 2018 model, Gen 2 model, if you can see, the front tire pressure it's only 10 psi, and the rear tire pressure is 23 psi only. So riders, make sure that you drive with proper tire pressure, or else you will find a problem in handling during the bike rides. And in this summer season, make sure that you keep a proper tire pressure, or else could be the blast also on the tires if you are going for a long ride or something. So today we have two Dominars, both are different generation. This is 2019, this is 2018 model. So both bikes have came actually for a quick fix work, some small minor work. This customer have minor fall down, so we have changed the handle for this bike. And this was for a quick work where we have changed the lock set for this bike. So basic making this video is not for this thing. The main concern about the video was when we checked the bike, there were two big things what we found it, the problem. The first thing was the tire pressure on both the bikes. Okay. On both the bikes, the customer was riding these bikes and without tire pressure at the proper, as per the recommendation one. So this bike was having a front tire pressure only at 2023 part or something. And the rear was 2021 or something in this. And even on this bike has only 10 psi. Okay, tire pressure, and on the rear it was just 23 psi. So the main focus to make this video is that during the summer season, make sure that your tire pressure should be proper. If you are not keeping a tire pressure proper, so could be the problem. What I'll say now, the 2-3 things which you will face a problem. One, a tire wear at the single side. One tire should be wearing it, or you will not find a grip properly on the handles. The handle will wobble properly. Okay, it will wobble during a high speed or something. You will find it wobble, or else when you are riding also, it will pull over one side on that case. So riders, make sure that whenever in a week or a 10 days or within a 2 week, your tire pressure should be proper. Check your tire pressure regularly.